So hey, yo, what's up YouTube? Thanks for watching UB's World. It's me UB and I am back with another video. So in this video we are going to talk about top 5 best Android tips and tricks which y'all will really love it, and trust me, you were not at all aware about all these tips and tricks. And if you knew it before, please comment down below and let me know who all knew all these tricks. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel as well. So without wasting more time, let's get started in the video. So here we go. On number 5 we have a trick called magnification gesture. So this is basically available in every other Android device. So only thing you have to do is just go to settings and then find for additional settings. So after clicking on it, you have to go to accessibility and there you will find this option. Like just scroll down a little bit. This is MI Note 4. So this is the settings in MI Note 4. You can, so there are different types of settings in different types of device. So I will enable it, and like this is the thing we can do when we allow this magnification gesture. Yes, we can zoom in each and everything in our device, whatever we see, even in the YouTube. Yes, you can just zoom in and see the logo or video channel logo in very clear way, so that you will get the idea how is it been made, and like it is like you can access in each and every other applications. There are no restriction for it, and this is just an example. Like there is no restriction even while you are watching a video. And yes, even you can see the profile picture of Instagram, which has been mostly used by us. And also the most and main thing you can use with this gesture is you can use this thing easily while playing a game like PUBG. Like PUBG is not available right now, and even I have no games to show y'all. But whenever you are playing shooting games and want a really focused, very high range scope, and you have only red dot, then just use this feature and target an enemy with, like if you are using a red dot, if you use this feature, you will see in actually 4x scope. You will think like that, like this is an amazing thing even while you are in a game. So try this once. So the other next amazing trick is that how to make any video from your Android device get stabilized without using any third-party application and without losing any camera quality or video quality. So the only thing is that you will have to open an inbuilt application, that is Google Photos. Yes, this is not at all needed, it will be already in your device. Just go to it and tap on any other video which you want to get stabilized. So just open it and later just click on the screen once and you will find an option for edit. So just go to it and there you will find an icon for stabilization. So this is a new version, or else you will get a return stabilization bar and then export bar. Just click on stabilization. So I click on the icon. So after tapping on it, the video will automatically start stabilizing. So let's see what's the result. And yes, this is the result, and like this is so impressive. Like this is an best and amazing easiest way to stabilize your video. You don't even need a gimbal for it. It can give you 100% result. So if you want to stabilize, just try this once at least. So as we all know, Gmail is the most important and most used application for communication, mostly used by the business person or brand users. So this is not an easiest like the normal communication system. Gmail is only used for the brand purpose, and this is the way where we send our main important documents, some passport pictures or main pictures. And sometimes there comes a situation where we have to send our images to unknown person and we have no idea what he can do. So to take it safe, to keep it safe, we have to only do is just go to the Gmail and write on compose go to the compose, and in the top right you will get 3 options and tap on the confidential mode. So later you will get 2 options like expires in 1 week and 1 day, like there are many more options. Just click on it and you will get it expires in 1 day. I click on it. It is like timer for expiry, and even you can set an SMS code as well for security purpose. You can use it too, so I'll not do it right now. So just save it, and after that you can just write to whom you want to send. Just click the email of the person and just write the subject what you want to do, or the image you can send easily. So now the thing happens is that, so this is basically an text, hi, hello, the simple text. With that they will get a note like content expires in 5th November 2020. So today's date is 4th November. I have set it for 1 day expiry, and also they will get a note of getting you do not have the permission of copying the text or forwarding or printing or downloading this text at all. So this is really important and most useful thing. And also let's try with an image. So this is an basic wallpaper. I'll just send it to the person which I have no idea who he is. So this is basically my mobile. Just try to recognize what I'm saying, and later, yes, this is the person. He gets the picture, he just opens it, and later if you try to download, he won't get any option for downloading. Like he won't get any chance, no option like downloading, or there is no option for it. And even there he gets and notes that you can't download or share or forward this link at all. So now comes is the main and important twist. That is like, if you get to know that he has already seen the picture, you can remove the access right then. Yes, after removing the access, he won't be able to watch it again. If you try to open it, he will get a notification that email has been expired. So this is an most secure thing you can do while sending an Gmail. So the next thing that happens is most often, like you send some message to your friends and he will read it but don't reply, and you won't even get a blue tick, so that you won't get to know whether he is reading my message or no, because they have changed the message and disabled it, the read receipt. So to know whether they are reading your message, the only thing is record some audio for 1 to 2 seconds and send them. So this will make them curious what you have sent to them, and later they will play the audio, and after they play the audio you will get a blue tick near the audio bar, and so that you will clearly get to know they are reading your every messages but not replying at all. So if he does the same thing with you, that he just records some of the audio and he sends you, and even you are curious about it, so the only best trick is that to share it with one of your colleague or your parents from whom you can afford, or you can take the device for a few seconds to hear the audio. Just share the audio without playing it, and later you can play the audio from the other device and he won't be able to get whether you are online or offline. So yes, this is the trick where you can make your friend fool. So yeah, you can try this once at least. And finally the last trick comes up is like another level, like it is in the next level. You can even prank your friends with this. Like as you all can see, this is a simple device, no more changes in it. But if I say you can change the complete device color with a single settings, yes, you can do it. So to do that, just go to the additional settings and later just go to the accessibility, as I have said you in the before. Even we should go for the accessibility, and later you have to change the color inversion into accepted. Yes, and later as you can see, the complete device color has been completely changed. Not only the white color into the black, but also even each and every color. So this is Subway Surfer, this is the original one, and as you all have seen what happens. So yes, another example. So this is basically a normal black and white picture. So when you invert it, it is like this. And just an example, some more examples, like if you just change it to color inversion, your complete device color changes up. And not only that, even the phone display also gets changed by it. So you can just prank your friend and they will be completely shocked what we have done to their device. So you can try this one for sure, and it is available in every Android device. Just try to find it. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel as well. And also there is an announcement that please do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is given in the description. Do follow me. And also I'm showing all the background behind the scenes, and even I'm giving the hint which all videos are going to come in the future. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye, stay safe, take care. Let's go.